all night. Say it. I want all night.
Happy New Year! Oh, turn on your music, sis, if I'm gonna get copyright. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Tell the lifestylers, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! My lifestyle family, Happy New Year. I wish you guys, a prosperous, a productive, a favorable, is that the word? Yeah. Well, a healthy, wealthy, yeah. 2025. So, anyways, guys, en route to, I don't know if I should call it, it's not vacation. I'm en route to my Besty wedding. Yes, it's she'll be getting married in a couple days. Hold on, guys, my hubby is calling me. Somebody missing me already. Do this with your sis. Not in 2025. We're not doing this in 2025. Guys, Esther, she driving to the airport and she's in exit lane. You tell me this. We're not doing this with her in 2025. Anyways, guys, as I was saying, yes, I'm heading. It's my Besty wedding weekend, guys. But make sure I get me 3 hours sleep in, because with she, there's no rest for the wicked.
Me and Tina's going to rest.
Yes, there's no rest for the wicked, so me say. But make sure I get me 3 hours rest, guys. But guys, honestly, I am so happy for her. She's so deserving, to find a partner where, they're equally yoked, and, the energy towards each other is the same. It's something that she's been desiring for quite some time. And, God busts her, so. Yeah, God does bust the gate and say, it's your money, take care. Guys, gotta give a man in a husbands in 2025, guys. Tap in, guys. God is giving away husbands in 2025. Come in agreement, single ladies. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Anyways, guys, again, Happy New Year. I am so excited to do 2025. Your head, you can't relax, man. You want to rise? Put your head on my lap. Yeah. Lay down, yeah. Yes, guys, I am so excited to do 2025 with you guys. Yes, excited. Thank you guys for the support throughout 2024. I appreciate every single one of you guys. All right, so guys, if it's your first time over here, Happy New Year and welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. And this is your girl Yoli. And if you're a returning subby, if you're a real OG, a real lifestylers, right? Welcome to my channel. For all the new subbies, remember to turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Also, guys, interact with me in your comment section. Interact with me. I like to interact with you guys. Yes, give your girl a thumbs up, and guys, share up the content. I've been telling you guys this since 2023. Sharing is caring. All right. And sharing is support. Support your girl. Share up her content. Yeah, man. Make we do better in 2025. Alright? Yes, so guys, I am on my way to the airport. You know, mega try, you know, do vlog here and there. You understand? Yeah. Girls, anything to tell the lifestylers?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, lifestylers!
Okay, see them, the guys, and they put us to them.
Hi, guys! Lifestylers!
Yes, guys, so catch you guys at the airport. So, guys, we're welcome to the vlogging life. So, guys, we're parking now. So, we're at Park and Fly. So, we just. Exactly. So.
You told Mom.
Yes. So, we just parked, guys, and we're waiting on our shuttle. Guys, it's cold. It's cold, guys. It's cold. We take everything out the car, right? Lifestylers, so come for good look at updates. Land in Atlanta with the girlies. Say hi. Come on, girls. Weird. Girls, say hi. Guys, is either them hungry or them tired?
Next stop is for A kids. A as in elephant. Welcome aboard the plane train.
Yeah, seniors?
Hold on. This train is departing.
Train the young.
The next stop is Concourse A.
Them eat food now. Let's see if they have little vibes. Una belly full now. Guys, them are wait for reach at a real party. Them not in the party mood yet. When they reach Little Rock, right, Promise? Promise in the mood.
Yeah.
Promise ready. Careful. Promise ready for party, guys. So, guys, we're currently, I think I told you before, we're in Atlanta. We just get something to eat. It's about 10 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock. And we're boarding our flight in 30 minutes. Yeah, so. See ya. So guys, we are boarding our second flight. Come on, ladies, say hi to the lifestyle. Guys, this is a new face on my channel. Come on, say hello to the lifestylers.
Hi, look at my eyes.
Full of bag. Big up the lifestylers, then.
Hi, lifestylers.
Big up. No?
We're tired.
She's tired.
We're tired.
You did good though, Mama. You did real good.
We're tired. The product of them, you see them? Started to grow underneath.
To see our suitcase. Sis, yours fast too? That blue one is not yours, Esther? You don't know what it is for you.
No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Why?
Oh no, them cracking. Oh no. Why them cracking?
You have warranty? Huh? You have warranty?
Oh, it's new? Is it new? No.
Yeah, something have a 5-year warranty on them. Guys, we land in Little Rock. Yeah, hopefully we ride out there because we delay a couple, maybe an hour or two. So mega call. Huh? Who?
This is yours, right?
Where? Yep, that's mine. Get it, sis. Get it. Get it. Good girl. What's your? Are you with a vlog? I'll be probably saying.
Tell them that.
This not right. This not right. This not right.
Oh God.
No. Not gonna auntie?
No help from me.
Huh?
Let me turn off the phone.
Look on the bright.
How are you guys? Except for
You know what you have to say, I'm coming.
No, coming up vlog ready. I mean, I'm like
See the bride, guys.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah. Show it. Give it 2 more. Signal it, play and make it. So guys, this is the hotel. I'm gonna show you guys, give you guys a better view look of the hotel. It's very nice. And like the aesthetics. Why they have the bride working?
And they have a rooftop bar, I heard. The bride decided she wants to work.
Yeah, that was our decision.
That's one reason we chose this hotel.
Yeah. So any of you guests here yet?
Not yet, you're the first.
Okay. You want to pee, right?
And go.
Right, getting dolled up. The wedding phase is coming along. It looks so nice already. Yeah. The eyebrow is so defined. Yes, girl. So guys, this is the finished look. You could find this, what's the name of your page?
On Instagram.
Jessica
J.O.
Yes, in
On Instagram.
in Little Rock.
In Little Rock, Arkansas.
Yes.
Social medias.
I love it.
You're
Yeah.
like a mom. You should say model. You look like a model.
Right?
Yes, that's what she meant.
It's coming. It looks good
What
though.
is this?
Guys, Camille just beat up our face in the ear,
The
Camille.
helicopter, they put my eye, they weigh me down. I don't know how to do it.
Oh,
I don't feel like they only ask me to open.
guys, Camille said we don't know them people.
Come here for a walk around. The girl said open your eyes.
I know, Camille said we
You
don't
say,
know.
are they open? I cannot feel it.
Oh God, I
I like the
cannot.
makeup, but
It looks really nice.
Jesus,
I just don't like them. I want the matte, like it needs gloss. You
Oh,
like the
on
matte?
lips? I can't see it. It looks fine.
I like it. Would look better with the gloss. It would look
Gloss
better.
over it. She said she's gonna do gloss on
Yeah.
the day.
But it looks really nice.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?